Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So the market has opened and we can see that as expected there is not much movement on the chart of GBP JPY because this is Monday morning, and as we all know, in the Monday mornings we hardly have any movements on the market. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY, and you can see that I have drawn a bullish flag here as well as Fibonacci retracement level. So let's discuss what are the best trading opportunities on GBP JPY chart. And my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong also, therefore please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And because see, this is your hard-earned money and it is your duty to protect your capital, because see, my analysis can be wrong also. So as we all know, GBP JPY was in very strong uptrend for last couple of days, and it became the talk of the town. Honestly speaking, if you have watched my previous videos on GBP JPY, then hopefully you have made good profit, because around 2 weeks ago I showed you a bullish flag like this on the weekly chart, and after that we got a movement of at least 300 pips. So if you have watched that video, then hopefully you have made good profit. But right now you can see that market is kind of retracing here. So what should be a strategy then? First of all, do not forget that whether you're trading on stock market, forex market, commodity market, wherever you're trading, trend is the most important thing in the market. Trend is your friend. Trend is the most important thing in the market. Therefore, follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And in a market condition like this, where we see sharp buying in the market, the only trading opportunity is to buy at retracement. Yes, is to buy at retracement. Okay, therefore the only retracement level we have right now is the Fibonacci retracement level at 23.6% of 155.45. This is the Fibonacci 23.6% level. Okay, 155.45. so if market comes down and bounces from here, that can be our first trading opportunity, because see, this is an uptrend market, and most importantly, if you're a beginner, then especially if you're a beginner, then you should not go against the trend of the market, because you may get trapped also. Yes, we have a weekly resistance at the top. You can see that we have a weekly resistance at the top, but see, support and resistance are not permanent in the market. They are temporary. In case there is a heavy buying in the market, it will break the resistance. In case there is a heavy selling in the market, it will break the support. Therefore they are not permanent, and until and unless we have a trend reversal, we will not go for any selling market, because we will not violate the rules of the market. Okay, so still GBP JPY is an uptrend. The big players, the institutions are still taking buy position on GBP JPY. Therefore, with our account balance, we are nobody to predict the market that market will reverse from here. Because see, in this market, in this uptrend market, okay, if you go to forex sentiment meter, you can see that in this uptrend market, 91% retail traders have taken short position, and this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because we just fail to follow the trend of the market. Okay, we fail to follow the trend of the market. We assume that market has reached the top, market will reverse from here. But my dear friends, we do not have any stand in the market. Traders like you and me, we do not determine the trend of the market, and this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money, because they fail to follow the trend. So here the If market comes down and bounces from the Fibonacci 23.6% level of 155.45, we can go for a buy. This is our first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, okay, apart from the Fibonacci level, you can see that I have also made a bullish flag. You can also draw a flag like this. So in case market breaks the level and goes up from, in case market breaks the flag, yes, in case market breaks the flag, if market breaks this level of 157.60, if market breaks the line at the top and crosses this level, then we will understand that this is a trend continuation. Yes, this is a trend continuation, and you can go for buy. So because see, in a market condition like this, okay, we should either buy retracement, yes, mostly retracement, or you can make a flag like this and you can go for buy if market breaks the line at the top. It gives us the confirmation that this is a trend continuation and we can go for buy. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see in the market, because see, this is a market full of buyers, so only trading opportunity is buy at retracement. Okay, so buy either at the retracement level of 155.45 if market bounces from here, and on the other hand, if market breaks the line at the top and goes up from here, you can buy. So that's it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.